McPherson from the agency, and I cannot wait to show you what 10 Pacific Drive in Pacific Heights has in store. The recently renovated kitchen with 2-pack finish and stone bench tops really is the hub of the home, and I love how it effortlessly flows through to the outdoor entertaining space. Sprawling over 2 levels and offering genuine dual living with a bedroom and bathroom downstairs, I love what they've done with the entertaining space and built-in bar. And how fabulous is this pool area with Barley Hut? The fully fenced 701 metre square allotment offers double side access to the 7.5 by 6 metre insulated and powered shed.